Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of the Poco X5 Pro, a fantastic device that's sure to impress. First things first, let's talk about the screen. The Poco X5 Pro boasts a stunning 120Hz refresh rate, which means you'll enjoy super smooth scrolling and an incredibly responsive user experience. Moving on to the battery, this device packs a powerful 5000 mAh battery that's designed to last all day long. And if you need a quick charge, the Poco X5 Pro supports 67W fast charging, so you can get back to your day in no time. When it comes to performance, the Poco X5 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 grams chipset, which ensures smooth and fast operation. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay tech savvy.